Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening your Google Ads account and linking analytics so you can measure results. Once done, choose one clear goal, for example sales or leads, and assign a KPI like CPA or ROAS to guide decisions. Next, set a realistic budget and campaign duration. Start small, $5 to $25 per day, so you can test. You should also choose a simple campaign type, search or smart, because that accelerates learning while keeping control of bids and audience signals. Now you build the campaign structure. Create tight ad groups with 3 to 5 keyword themes and include exact and phrase match to balance volume and precision. Then, craft 3 responsive search ads per ad group. Vary headlines and descriptions so Google can optimize winners. Make sure to set geo-targeting, device adjustments, and ad schedules aligned with when your customers convert. Also add negative keywords and audience exclusions to avoid wasting spend. This setup reduces noise and gives cleaner signals for optimization. Finish by verifying conversion tracking and importing those goals into Google Ads so bids optimize for outcomes. Once you have sufficient conversions, roughly 50 to 100, you can switch to automated bidding like target CPA or maximize conversions. Until then, run manual CPC and adjust. Monitor cost per conversion and quality score, and iterate on creatives and landing pages. If things go wrong, here's the key tip. If you see low traffic, broaden match types and raise bids. If you get clicks but no conversions,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.